Mr. Paul Buchanan's request to have the St. Andrew West Central election voided has been rejected. Now that it has been rejected, now that we have crossed that bridge, I hope he will now be silent about the matter. Because what I said earlier when this whole debacle started, my stance was that he has a right, right? He has a right to request. However, do not continually make comments about the situation because you run the risk of creating, causing, inspiring chaos in your constituency or in the constituency, right? I also said if the request is given, feel free to talk about it. If it's not given, you need to drop it. From the little I've heard, he has not. And the fact that he has not dropped it and is still making comments about the situation, now I'm going to question your true desires, your true intentions. Is it that your intention is to cause havoc and chaos? Because the people of a country should come before your pride or your ego. That is not what's happening here. Again, you have to look at the bigger picture. As a leader, you have to look at the bigger picture. You need to drop this. It's a small man attack, something that nobody ever hear him, but I believe he should drop this.